Meet Quicker, a plugin that helps grow your store sales with a suite of essential features. With the help of the Quicker plugin, you can add a powerful Buy Now button to WooCommerce, helping your customers skip the cart page and go straight to checkout. Now, let's dive into the tutorial video on how to set up direct checkout in your WooCommerce site. Step 1. Open Quick Settings. From your WordPress admin dashboard, head to Quicker, then Products, then Quick Checkout. Step 2. Enable Direct Checkout. Here, choose how direct checkout should work. No, keep WooCommerce default. Dash checkout page. Send customers directly to checkout. Custom URL. Redirect them anywhere, like a special offer page or landing page. Step 3. Customize the button text. Update the button label to match your store's style. Use phrases like Buy Now, Instant Checkout, or Order Today. Please know that a clear call to action can improve click-through rates by up to 121%. Step 4. Choose where to apply. Here, you need to decide where to apply direct checkout. Entire store for all products, product categories for selected categories, specific products for individual items. Step 5. Enable on product pages. Finally, enable direct checkout on single product pages. This lets customers check out instantly, right from the product page with just one click. And that's it. You've set up direct checkout with Quicker in under 3 minutes. Faster checkout equals fewer abandoned carts, more sales, and happier customers. Want even more powerful features? Upgrade to Quicker Pro today and supercharge your WooCommerce store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WooCommerce growth tips.